5.3 Chevy, customer states, cylinder 8 misfire. He did coil packs and spark plugs. So, bought a set of injectors, asked me to put them in. I said, can do. What I noticed is if you look at that pin on injector 8, she's got some corrosion on it. There ain't another injector in here that's got corrosion on it. So, I didn't see any green in this plug here, but what I did was I probed it, and then we're going to come in here, check the harness, if I can stay on it. 0.6. 0.6. Call it good. And just to verify that that's good, which I know it's good because basically partially electrician. We'll check the wire beside it, which didn't have no corrosion on the plug. We'll come in here, touch off of it. 0.7. So to be honest with you, the other wire, oh, there it is, 0.6. 0.7. 0.6, 0.7 ain't nothing for resistance. So, we know the connector's good. We know the harness from here to here is good. We know we got nasty green corrosion on that pin. That's probably the misfire. Just to be safe, took some electrical parts cleaner, sprayed that out. I never saw any green in it, but never be too sure. So we got this rail done, 4 new injectors. We got 4 new injectors there on this side. Then we get this side, we get the injectors buttoned up, and he's gonna get intake manifold gaskets. And we throw all that back on, then we'll be able to start it, make sure the code's cleared. Man.